Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. This video I'm going to show you how you can add friends in Bigo Live. If you want to add and follow your friends in Bigo Live, this is the video for you. First of all, open the Bigo Live in your phone. Now you can go ahead and click on the profile of the person and click on follow. This way you will be friends with him or her and you can follow him. Let me give you another example. You can go to the search bar and search for your friend and then send him or her a friend request. After you press on follow, you will be friends with that person. This is how you send your friend requests and follow the people in Bigo Live. I hope the video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell button for more. I expect to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.